catch them. Oh, he got hit by the ball. Oh. Oh, you better hope that door's open. You better pray that door's open. If that door's not open, you are screwed. It's not.
Well, bless your little heart.
He's gonna win. He's gonna win that.
Die, you bastard! That's my sweet meat.
Come on. It's over anyway. We're getting level 5. You're screwed. You better go for the stab if you can.
You're hanging on to a life that's already gone, baby. You ain't looking.
You're screwed anyway. Hunt his ass down. Ain't no way you getting out. Yo! How did he get over there that quickly? Oh, get his ass. He's gonna stab. Oh, yeah, you better well. You better. I want him to try to stab.
If you're looking for sympathy, it's in the dictionary between shit and syphilis.
He's in the basement. Oh, he's coming up. You gonna try to slide through this way?
I'll kill you and swear you died.
Where's he at?
Trust me on that.
Bro, what are y'all doing? Hitch was closer to him than I was.
Serious side. Get over here and take what's coming to you.
Where's he at? Boom!
Got him.
Got your bitch ass! Oh, you gonna try to grapple me, boy? Get your ass down! Get his ass! Get his ass! Get his ass! Just sit your bitch ass down. Got your ass!